Engineered wood construction. This L-shaped desk is crafted from high-quality engineered wood, ensuring durability and stability for your workspace. Spacious desktop and storage. With a generous desktop measuring 69-inch L x 21.6 W, this desk provides ample space for your computer, printer, and files. It also features 4 drawers and a storage cabinet for organizing your office essentials. Built-in power and USB outlets. Conveniently charge your devices with the integrated 4 AC outlets and 2 USB charging ports, eliminating the need for extra cables or power strips. Farmhouse-style design. Featuring a classic farmhouse design with beveled edges and attractive hardware, this desk adds a touch of sophistication to your home office or study room. Thank you for watching my video. To order this product or for more information, click the link in the description section. If you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. Take care and stay safe.